Let us take up a few more homologous series from your textbook, page number 119. This is the homologous series for alkanes. So you have been given the name of the members of the alkane series here: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. Molecular formulas have been given. By using general formula CnH2n plus 2, you can get the molecular formulas. Condensed structural formula has been written. So here you have the structure for methane, and the condensed formula for this structural formula would be CH4. Ethane, you can go on making the structures. We have already done this earlier. So you will get the structural condensed formula as CH3 single bond CH3. Propane, C3H8, condensed structural formula will be CH3 CH2 CH3. Or simply you can just add one CH2 group now. Every time you are going to add or increase one CH2 group, you will be getting the next member because it's a homologous series. So butane has got CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Pentane, CH3, 2 from the previous one, and one new CH2 group we have added. So we have got 1, 2 and 3 CH2 groups, and again CH3. Hexane, CH3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 CH2 groups, CH3. So the extreme carbon atoms will have a CH3 group. Like here we can see one example here. The last extreme one will have a CH3 to satisfy the valencies, whereas the middle ones will be having CH2. So this is what is a condensed structural formula. The number of carbon atoms, we know this, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. Number of CH2 units. Now how do we count the number of CH2 units? One or two examples we can see here. This is how you count the CH2 units. In methane, here we have one CH2 unit. This is C, and we have two hydrogens, so it becomes CH2. So only one CH2 unit we can see here. Similarly, ethane will have two CH2 units. Propane will have 3 CH2 units. Butane, here one more example is given to you. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms are there and 10 hydrogen. So it's butane. Here if you count, you have this is 1 CH2 unit. This is second, third and fourth. So there are 4 CH2 units in butane. Pentane will have 5 and hexane will have 6 CH2 units. So this is how we count the CH2 units. Boiling point has been given. We know that the carbon compounds have got low melting and boiling points. The second example is of the homologous series of alcohols. The names have been given here: methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol. You must have noticed that the letter E from each of these alkanes have been replaced by OL. Molecular formulas have been given here. Condensed structural formula is given, CH3OH. Here the example has been given to you. The structure has been drawn. This is one carbon atom, 3 hydrogen. So CH3, then the bond is shown and the functional group, that is alcohol, OH. So this becomes the condensed structural formula. Then we have number of carbon atoms, that is 1. Number of CH2 units. Again we will count the CH2 units this way. There is only one CH2 unit, so 1. Second example, ethanol C2H6O. You can even write it as C2H5OH, where you can write the functional group. Right now they have added the hydrogen of the functional group also over here, but you can even write it as C2H5OH. The condensed structural formula will be CH3CH2OH. So here it has been given CH3, CH2 and OH. Number of carbon atoms we will have 2. There are 2 carbon atoms. Number of CH2 units 2. So here we have 1 and then 2. So 2 CH2 units are present. Next is propanol C3H8O. Structural formula will be condensed 1 CH3 CH2 CH2 OH, and number of carbon atoms will be 3. CH2 units will also be 3. Butanol C4H10O, CH3 1, 2 and 3 CH2 units and OH. Carbon atoms 4, CH2 units again 4. Here the structure has been given. This is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4 CH2 units will be present. So this is the homologous series for alcohols. Here also you can notice that every time one CH2 unit goes on being added. Coming to the last example of homologous series, we have the homologous series of alkenes. The name has been given here in this column: ethene, propene, 1-butene and 1-pentene. Molecular formulas have been given. We know the general formula for alkenes is CnH2n. The condensed structural formula for ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Here the structure has been drawn. This is CH2 double bond CH2. Number of carbon atoms is 2, but the number of CH2 units is 0. Now though you can see that this is one CH2, this is second CH2, but we will not consider them to be CH2 units, because in counting the CH2 units, the other 2 free valencies of the carbon atom should be satisfied by single bond only. So when here the CH2 unit that we are seeing, carbon is forming single bond here and here with hydrogens, but the other 2 valencies of this carbon are not satisfied by single bond. There is a double bond between the 2 carbon atoms, which indicates that the other 2 valencies of carbon are not satisfied by single bond. Hence, we will not consider them to be CH2 units. Propene C3H6, structural formula is given here. The condensed form is CH3, CH double bond CH2. Carbon atoms 3, CH2 units 1. Again here you can see one CH2 unit is here, but this cannot be counted as a CH2 unit because the other 2 valencies of carbon are not satisfied by single bond. They have formed a double bond with the carbon atom here. Only one CH2 unit you can see here, because this carbon's other 2 valencies are satisfied by single bond. So only this can be considered to be as a CH2 unit. I hope now you have followed that in counting the CH2 units, the other 2 valencies of the carbon atom should be satisfied by single bond only. So only here this is satisfied here. The condition is satisfied that this carbon atom is having the other 2 valencies as single bond only. They are satisfied by single bond only. Hence 1. 1-butene C4H8 structure is given here. Condensed structure is CH3, CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Carbon atoms 4, CH2 units 2. Here also the same thing. The other two valencies we can see they are not satisfied by single bond. There is a double bond. So this will not be considered as a CH2 unit. Here we have one unit. This is second unit. So there are two CH2 units. Because this carbons, all the valencies are satisfied by single bond. This carbon also, all valencies are satisfied by single bond. These are always satisfied by single bond. This with hydrogen. But you have to take into account the other two. They should also be satisfied by single bond. 1-pentene C5H10. CH3 single bond CH2, single bond CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Carbon atoms is 5 and number of CH2 units will be 3. So with this we come to the end of homologous series and we shall take up the next topic, IUPAC nomenclature and its rules, in the next class. Thank you.